This is the best that I've felt in weeks or months even. It's amazing.
So it's your first time
This is my
doing
first,
Mirimiri?
Yeah, definitely doing Mirimiri. I've done some other types of body work, but this is definitely the first time I've done this. And you already described the intensity of it at first, and I was a little bit hesitant, but it's actually really good. Like it's not, it doesn't stick around for too long, and you really feel that it's helping move the body and relax it. Like you're getting in the right spots, and it's really, really getting to the core of where. Well, and all of you guys just by looking at me saying this is where we need to be, and that's exactly what you guys did. So
Nice.
yeah. Right.
So if this was a monthly clinic, if they decided to do this sort of on a monthly basis, would it be something that you think you'd use again?
I think so, yeah. But I definitely even consider just talking to one of the practitioners here and saying, hey, coming to go to Zen personally. I think, I'm definitely very happy with what we did here.
Awesome.
And if this work can continue, I mean, I think there's a lot of, it's really cool sort of interaction. You know, you guys are talking more to the body, listening to the body, and I think that's, I can try and explain what I feel should be happening, but you guys can really feel what's happening. And I think, like you said, a few sessions of this where you guys are working directly on the body is much more valuable than a lot of other technologies I think out there. So
awesome.
I'm definitely very interested in continuing this. Awesome. And I would definitely come back again if you guys did this more often. So
Cool. Awesome. Oh well, thanks for coming.
Yeah, thank you.